In this tip, we'll see how to delete list elements using index and slicing notation. Consider this list with 5 numbers. By using the pop method, you can delete the last element of a list. This method will modify the list in place, and the value being deleted will also be returned. Primes will now have 4 elements. If you wanted to delete an element based on its index, then you can pass that index as the argument to this pop method. So let's see an example. Suppose this list has 3 elements and one of them is another list. If you want to delete the second element, you can pass 1 as the index to this pop method. The student will now have only 2 elements. And suppose you wanted to delete something from this inner list. So first you can select this inner list, and then let's say you wanted to delete the first element. So you can pass 0 as the index. So this is the modified list. Suppose you wanted to delete more than one element based on a slicing notation. In such cases, you cannot use the pop method. You can use the del statement instead. To consider this list of 4 elements, suppose you wanted to delete elements from index 1 to index 2. You can use del, and you can provide the range of index as a slicing notation. So starting index is 1 and ending is 2. The stop value will be 1 more than the ending value required. So books should now have only this first element and the last element. You can still provide a single index like the pop method. One difference between del and pop method is del's return value is always none. Let's see an example with more than one dimension. So previously we used an example like this. So this will delete the first element of this list. Instead, by using del, we can simply provide both the index using the square brackets. So we don't have to select an inner list and then apply the pop method. We can directly provide the multidimensional index. So the list should now have 3 elements, and this inner list should have only 2 elements remaining. Hope you enjoyed this tip.